Now I'd like to stress these facts here, that the wildcard exception handling can potentially be dangerous because it can land you into some debugging nightmares. So for instance, have a look at this code again, and suppose that while I was writing it, I made an error here, and while I call this result here ratio, but then I forget and I write division here. When you run this code, it seems to work all right. And if you enter 5 and 0, it says you loser. That's the answer we wanted. But now let me try that again and write 5 and 5 here. Perfect score. You loser. Right, how's that? So I challenge you to debug this, in a real context. What's happening here is that actually this division is an unknown variable that we haven't declared before. So it causes an exception, and the exception is caught here, and it causes the program to print you loser instead of printing the correct ratio, which would be 1 try for each correct answer. Now this doesn't happen if you actually are a bit more careful in specifying what type of exceptions you want to handle. So I would encourage you to try changing this bit of code here and see what happens in this case.